Downhill 2. The A19 north towards South Shields and the Tyne Tunnel, then back from the Testo's junction towards Hylton Castle. We're going to turn right, third exit towards South Shields and the Tyne Tunnel, the A19 north. The sign clearly says South Shields Tyne Tunnel, the right lane. So move into the right lane, remember it's a tight corner, and approach to the roundabout. As we make progress, we aim straight towards the right hand lane. Avoid the middle lane. We're indicating right, and as we turn right, as we get past the second exit, look left, indicate left and spiral into the left hand lane. A19 north only. Let's make progress, moving into the left hand lane, and remember it's a 40-mile-an-hour speed limit all the way up to Testo's roundabout, and make progress. Heading south from the Testo's interchange, we're going to take the next left turning, going towards Hylton Castle and the Nissan offices. As we leave the road, note in front the speed limit is 40 miles an hour. The roundel on the road clearly marks this. The A19 on our right hand side is 70 miles an hour. Approaching the Downhill Interchange, we're going to cross the roundabout, second exit towards Hylton Castle. Remain in the left hand lane, coming up to the junction. Stay in the left hand lane. Look left, indicate left, and onto the Washington Road towards Hylton Castle.